Greetings and welcome back! We are getting closer and closer to finish the game. One important change for our game is to implement a catchy, challenging story, which I did offline along with other changes, so let's review them quickly. These are the changes I've done offline. The very first is to reduce the reward gained by the coin collection and how fast the score increases while playing. It's just something I felt like doing it, but you can skip this part. The logo and the Chester jetpack name was simply the name used by the person who made the assets. Usually it's a good idea to come up with an original name to make sure you won't clash with other developers. I didn't bother to come up with some state-of-the-art name because this is just a training series and a training game, so I changed the logo from Chester Jetpack to Hero Jetpack. Because of that, I had to adjust a bit the logo positioning, but not a big deal. And this is how it looks like now. And the last change file is the to-do list, which we can ignore for now. There is one set of changes which was folded, made on the story queue. With this implementation, the story is constructed randomly based on some predefined chapters. When we run out of story items, we simply choose randomly a new chapter and append it to the story, and this way the user will always get an original infinite story. Pretty cool, right? This is what we should accomplish by the end of the video. The first 3 points are already done, so I'll just remove them. Before publishing your game, you should be checking the game name. In our case, the name is totally wrong, so let's quickly change it. I'll stop and start the game so we have it refreshed. And voila! The name has been changed. The next topic is to add an icon to our game. For this, I would recommend you to use appicon.co. Just think for which kind of device you need an icon and drag and drop your icon image and you get back the set of icons. We should go to the project directory Android, app, source, main, and I'll paste the zip file here and extract it. We will replace the existing directories with the ones generated by appicon.co. I'll remove the zip file and the leftover directory and let's stop and start the game. And finally, the icon has been changed. Let's have a look to our game. As promised, the story is randomly generated, and to be fair, I do like how it looks like. If you have any kind of suggestions or you get stuck, don't hesitate to contact me via comment section. The last major change we have to do is to implement some loading screen and preload all our image assets, and then we can safely publish the game. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button to ensure it turns blue. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers!